A Walking Conquest, a sonnet written by Alexander J. Walker. They say you walk once you have learnt to crawl, but he was born walking amongst his label. To replace his full shoes would lead to fall, that a runner's life runs through his cable. Yet to walk is a slow path, his is fast, his name already taken from the great, for that all the while, his ambition vast, disciplines his greatest will, lit by fate. No fortune worth grasp is left unguarded, for nothing works unless you do your best. His future is diamond, yet uncharted. To liberate the blind is his conquest. He wants no more than the statues chiseled to shield the story that once was whistled.